Hi there guys, this is Irfaan from Hassan's Homestead because I've been waiting a while to actually make this video. So a lot of you have these, a lot of you drink these are 2 liter bottles or 2 liter plastic bottles. A lot of you throw these away, so don't throw these away, and I'll show you exactly why not. Firstly, what you want to do is you want to get a craft knife, and you want to snip this over here. So you're going to take this off, and then you're going to find a crease on here, and closest to the bottom, and to pop your craft knife in there, and basically you just want to go around the crease. Cool. So then what you have is basically a bottom and a top. This bottom end, what you can do is you can transfer your seedlings or the seeds that you've germinated to these. These make great inexpensive pots, and you can grow out your seedlings to a certain height before transplanting them. If you have seedlings that are very sensitive to lots of water, or they don't like a lot of water, you are welcome to put holes in them, drainage holes. I'm not going to do that because I live in a fairly warm climate and it dries out the soil very quickly, and over and above that I am a tad lazy to water, so I do not put drainage holes at the bottom. The water collects at the bottom. It has a wick effect, a wick watering effect, so it pulls up the water to the drier soil, and of course this helps with germinating the smaller seedlings. Yeah, these are my tomato seedlings. As you can see, the roots have started popping out at the bottom already, which means it's about time for me to transfer them to a larger pot, which would be this. So basically it's going to set in the pot like that. And of course I'm going to put some potting soil. Once these grow out to a certain height, or if you want to transplant these directly in the ground outside, this is where the other half of this pot comes into play. The top half, if you plant this directly into the ground and you have a very small seedling, and the ground gets dry very quickly after you water, and to protect these, so basically you're gonna have this in the ground, and then you're gonna water the ground, make it moist, and you're gonna push this into the ground to a fairly good depth. And of course you can take the lid off. You can water through the top. Of course this also acts as a greenhouse, and then of course you can pull these out of the ground when your plant gets to a certain height, or reaches the top of this container itself. Yeah guys, so that's what I wanted to show you, what to use your empty 2 liter Coke bottles for. If you haven't watched the video of me planting this or germinating this, it was my previous video. These are the McDonald's or the McCafe seed pods that you get, or the checker seed pods, depending on which country you're from. This is some nightshade tomatoes. If you look underneath the leaves, you can see a lot of cyanthemums, or some nice purple color on the roots, on the stems and the bottom of the leaves. Beautiful. I mean, this just to look at is superbly gorgeous. I will be transferring these to the container that I just made. It's this, and of course I'm looking forward to these growing quite a bit. I've never grown tomatoes before, so this is the first time for everything. Also, what I'm going to be doing in my next video coming up is I'm going to be showing you how to grow an avocado from seed, which I'm pretty amped about. It's the first time I'm growing an avocado, and of course, I've been saving a lot of seeds, and I've been saving a lot of 2 liter bottles. So make sure you don't throw these away, guys, and I'll see you soon on Irfaan Hassan's Homestead. Still have to fix up my chicken coop. Still want to get some quails and perhaps an emu. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to like, share, subscribe.